Welcome back to 30 days, 30 logos. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe and like the video. That helps me out a lot. Thank you. Today we have a request from Edgar Martin. Hi there, we're a small coffee shop chain located in Seattle with 5 locations. Our current logo is just text using a default font, but now it's time for an update. I agree. The Grind prides itself on natural and local ingredients. For our new logo, we actually do not want to use any browns. So many coffee shops around here use brown and we'd like to stand out. Maybe oranges, green, other earth tones, etc. could work well. This logo will primarily be used as our store sign on menus and on coffee cups and merchandise. The Grind logo could be text-based or have an icon. We're open to either or both. We're open to using symbols that represent coffee, such as the coffee bean, plant, grounds, coffee cup, etc. I'm attaching a few examples of logos. We really dig for some inspiration. Great grammar there, the Grind. We like a somewhat clean look. Thanks, Edgar Martin, the Grind Coffee Shop. Well, Edgar, let's get into designing your logo, shall we? Oh, but first he attached a few example logos, so let's have a look at those. They're all pretty illustrated, so not very realistic, so that's nice. They're nice logos. So I think I can get some inspiration out of these. Let's get started. So I started by writing down the name and making a few sketches. Here I made a sketch of a coffee bean being the D, and a G holding the coffee cup, and then a coffee bean being the point above the I, and then some steam coming off the T, and a cup being the N, either way around. So I started by trying to integrate a coffee cup in the G, making it look like the G is holding a coffee cup, and I tried it with a lot of different combinations of colors and shadows, but it just didn't really work out for me. I found this to be very difficult as well. So then I went and made a coffee bean to make the D out of. So I did that, and then I rounded the corners and made them less sharp. Oh, and see here, the E is now tilted a bit to the right or to the left, which makes it look as if it's more happy and more open. Something I always find with these. I think the Google logo has it as well. So that's something to learn from. Then I removed the little hook on the I and made it into a sharp corner, just like all the other letters have, to make more of a continuous flow. And then I rounded off the corners of each letter to make it more smooth, which you want coffee to be smooth and not sharp. And then I put it in a circle, and I added the fresh coffee and Seattle on the circle in a path. And then I just put another circle in, outline it, and some dots on the side for decoration. And I tried these weird X's to be like all futuristic and cool, but they didn't work out, so I tried a more natural, organic line. Then I started making heat waves from steam of the coffee coming out of the word, the Grind, and I found it to be too busy with the wavy thing on the bottom, so I just ended up using the steam only. Then I made another outline and another outline of that, and then I changed the color to something a little bit earthy but also modern and not brown, so it's more special than all the other coffee shops. And then I chose the blue one because I liked it the most, and I'm pretty pleased with the final result. Here you can see it in a mock-up on a cup. I think it might be a little too detailed. Maybe remove some of the outlines and make it simpler. But I do really like it, and I would be intrigued to go drink coffee there. So let me know what you think. You can view the images on my website, which is linked down below. And please subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next episode of 30 Days, 30 Logos.